Mars, the red planet. For many years, people have looked up at this planet and wondered about it. Even without a telescope, we can see its rusty color, making it seem both alien and familiar. It's a world of giant volcanoes, enormous canyons, and icy poles, a world that might have once had life. Now, in the 21st century, we are even more drawn to Mars. We've sent robotic explorers, orbiters, landers, and rovers to explore this strange place. Every mission, a daring trip into the unknown, has taught us more about the secrets of Mars. Our robot explorers have journeyed across vast plains, climbed towering mountains, and peered into ancient craters. They found signs that water, which is crucial for life, existed on Mars long ago. They've studied the Martian soil and air, searching for clues about whether anything could live there now or in the past. Join me on a journey through time and space as we learn about the incredible adventures of these Mars rovers and what they have uncovered. Our story begins in 2001 with the arrival of Mars Odyssey. This spacecraft, named after a famous long poem, wasn't a rover but an orbiter. Its mission was to circle Mars from high above, acting like a scout for future missions. Odyssey carried special tools for science, including a camera to take pictures of Mars's surface and a spectrometer to figure out what it is made of. Its most important tool was the gamma-ray spectrometer. This tool looked for signs of frozen water, and it found it. Odyssey discovered huge areas of frozen water beneath the surface of Mars. Odyssey's mission was supposed to last for 2 years, but it was extended many times. More than 20 years later, Odyssey is still orbiting Mars, sending important information back to Earth. In 2004, NASA landed 2 rovers on Mars, Spirit and Opportunity. These twin robot geologists were given the job of finding evidence that water used to be on Mars. Their mission was ambitious, but they didn't have much time, or so we thought. Designed to work for only 90 Martian days or sols, Spirit and Opportunity worked for much longer than expected. Spirit landed in Gusev Crater, a place chosen because it might have once been a lake. It spent 6 Earth years exploring this area, climbing hills, studying rocks, and even surviving a harsh Martian winter. Spirit found evidence of old hot springs, which means liquid water must have been on Mars long ago. Opportunity, on the other hand, landed on the opposite side of Mars in Meridiani Planum. This area was chosen because it has deposits of hematite, a mineral that often forms when water is present. Opportunity hit the jackpot, discovering blueberries, small, round lumps rich in hematite, indicating that liquid water was present in the past. In 2012, a new rover landed on Mars, bigger and more advanced than the ones before it. Curiosity. This car-sized rover was equipped with a set of advanced instruments, including a drill, a laser, and a chemistry lab, to study the geology and climate of Mars. Curiosity's landing site was Gale Crater, a huge crater with a towering mountain at its center, Mount Sharp. Scientists believed that Gale Crater was once a lake, and that Mount Sharp's layers of sediment held clues to Mars' ancient past. Curiosity did not disappoint. It found evidence of ancient stream beds, showing that liquid water once flowed freely on the Martian surface. It discovered complex organic molecules, the building blocks of life, preserved in ancient rocks. And it analyzed the Martian atmosphere, finding methane, a gas that could be a sign of past or present life. Curiosity's discoveries have painted a picture of ancient Mars as a warmer, wetter, and possibly habitable world. Section 5. Insight: Listening to the Martian Heartbeat. While rovers explored the surface of Mars, another mission was about to go deep inside the planet. In 2018, the InSight lander touched down on Elysium Planitia, a vast, flat plain chosen because it was safe and stable. InSight's mission was unique. It wasn't designed to move around the surface of Mars, but to stay in one place and listen. Its main instrument was a seismometer designed to detect Marsquakes, which are like earthquakes on Mars. By studying the seismic waves created by Marsquakes, scientists could learn about what's inside the planet, its crust, mantle, and core. InSight also carried a heat probe designed to dig beneath the surface and measure how hot it is inside the planet. InSight's findings have provided valuable insights into how Mars formed and changed over time. They have shown that Mars is seismically active, with Marsquakes happening regularly, and they have revealed that the core of Mars is bigger and less dense than previously thought. Section 6. Perseverance, seeking signs of ancient life. The search for life beyond Earth is perhaps the most important question in science. In 2021, NASA sent its most advanced rover yet to Mars to try to answer this question. Perseverance landed in Jezero crater, a place chosen because it might have signs of ancient life. Billions of years ago, Jezero crater was home to a lake and a river delta. Perseverance has tools designed to look for signs of past life. It can drill into rocks, collect samples, and analyze them for organic molecules. It even carries a small helicopter Ingenuity to scout the area. Perseverance's mission is still going on, but it has already made groundbreaking discoveries. It has found evidence of ancient hot springs, suggesting that liquid water once flowed on Mars. Section 7. Ingenuity, taking to the Martian skies. For centuries, humans have dreamed of flying on Mars. In 2021, that dream came true, though on a smaller scale. Ingenuity, a small, lightweight helicopter, made history by becoming the first aircraft to achieve powered, controlled flight on another planet. Ingenuity traveled to Mars attached to the belly of the Perseverance rover. Once it was set down, it started a series of test flights, showing that it is possible to explore Mars from the air. Ingenuity's flights were proof of human ingenuity and the power of technology. They opened the way for future missions that will use aircraft to explore Mars in greater detail, reaching places that are hard or impossible to get to by rover. Ingenuity's success has opened up a new way to explore Mars, allowing us to fly above the red planet and see its wonders from a whole new point of view. Section 8. Mars, a planet of surprises. From the early days of Mariner and Viking to today, exploring Mars has been a journey of discovery and wonder. Each mission, building on what we learned from earlier ones, has shown us a planet that is more complex and interesting than we ever thought. We have found evidence that water, which is essential for life, existed on Mars in the past. We have discovered organic molecules, the building blocks of life. We have seen the power of Martian dust storms and the subtle beauty of its changing seasons. And we have learned that Mars is not a still, unchanging world, but a dynamic planet with a rich geologic history and a surprising capacity for change. Section 9. The future of Mars exploration. Our exploration of Mars is far from over. In the coming decades, we plan to send even more ambitious missions to the Red Planet. These missions will build on what we have learned from previous missions, looking for clear signs of past or present life, collecting samples to bring back to Earth, and getting ready for human exploration. One of the missions we are most excited about is the Mars Sample Return mission. This difficult task will involve sending a spacecraft to Mars to collect the rock and soil samples gathered by the Perseverance rover. These samples will then be launched into orbit around Mars and brought back to Earth, where they can be studied in detail by scientists all over the world. The Mars Sample Return mission is a complex undertaking, requiring many spacecraft and countries to work together. But the scientific benefits could be huge, possibly giving us definite answers about whether there is or was life on Mars. Section 10. The quest for life beyond Earth. The search for life beyond Earth is one of the most important scientific efforts of our time. And Mars, with its exciting evidence of past water and the possibility that it could have supported life, is a prime target in this search. The discoveries made by our robot explorers have shown that Mars was once a very different place than it is today. Billions of years ago, it may have had a thicker atmosphere, a warmer climate, and liquid water flowing on its surface. These conditions, similar to those that existed on early Earth, suggest that Mars may have once been habitable, perhaps even home to life. The search for life on Mars is a difficult task, but the potential rewards are huge. If we were to find evidence of past or present life on Mars, it would completely change our understanding of our place in the universe. It would show that life is not unique to Earth, but may be common throughout the cosmos. Section 11. Mars, a stepping stone to the stars. Our exploration of Mars is not just about understanding another planet, it's also about testing the limits of human ingenuity, developing new technologies, and inspiring future generations to pursue careers in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, or STEM. The lessons we learn from exploring Mars will not only advance our scientific knowledge, but also prepare us for future missions to other places in our solar system and beyond. Mars, with its challenging environment and potential resources, could act as a stepping stone for human exploration of the solar system, a testing ground for the technologies and strategies we will need to venture farther into space. The journey to Mars is a journey of exploration, discovery, and inspiration. It's a testament to the human spirit of adventure and our never ending desire for knowledge. And it's a journey that will continue to amaze and inspire us for generations to come. Summary: this YouTube video script explores the fascinating history and future of Mars exploration. It highlights key missions like Odyssey, Spirit, Opportunity, Curiosity, Insight, and Perseverance, showcasing their discoveries and contributions to our understanding of the Red Planet. The script emphasizes the search for past or present life on Mars and the possibility of future human missions, inspiring viewers with the wonders of space exploration and the potential for groundbreaking scientific discoveries.